Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So if you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Osai. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you if you have subscribed. Thank you if you haven't, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So today's video, you already know what it is. I'm gonna be showing you five different ways of how to slay your head tie. Like you can see, I'm already slaying mine and I'm feeling myself. So stay tuned and don't go nowhere. Why I'll be showing you how to slay your scalp. So first, this is your head tie. You just have to fold it into two, but not equal like me. I'm not doing it equal, so I'll just go ahead and hey, this is how it's looking like, and then put this one down. Thank you so much for watching up to this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, comment, and also give the video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.